everyone, and welcome to the Arcus Help channel. In today's video, we'll be taking a look at how to remote access into a Linux virtual machine through VNC. While an SSH connection will take you directly to the command line, using VNC will take you to the user interface. To ensure that VNC will function properly, you will most likely need to install these applications on your system. You can find the applications you need in an app bundle under the library section of the main menu. For example, my virtual machine runs Red Hat 7, so I have installed the Red Hat Linux multi-user desktop app bundle. Now, if you have already installed the necessary applications, find your deployment run, click the Connect button on the virtual host, select VNC, click Connect, log in with the credentials you established when launching the deployment run, and then show off this handsome UI to all of your friends. If you would like to watch more of these video tutorials, feel free to check out the Arcus Help YouTube channel. And for more in-depth explanations, visit our help site, arcus-cloud.io/kb, the links to which are in the video description down below. And of course, if you have any questions, you can get in touch with our support team by submitting a ticket to support@arcus-cloud.io. In the meantime, I hope you found this video helpful, and thank you for using Arcus.